In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set recurring tasks in ClickUp. Recurring tasks are a fantastic way to automate your workflow and ensure you never miss a deadline. Whether it's for weekly reports, daily reminders, or monthly check-ins, setting up recurring tasks can save you time and keep your projects organized. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to set them up in ClickUp so you can focus on what matters most. Let's get started. First, log into your ClickUp workspace. If you're new to ClickUp, it's a powerful project management tool designed to help you streamline your tasks and collaboration. If you don't already have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific project where you want to create your recurring task. This might be a team project, a personal workflow, or any area where recurring reminders will keep you on track. Take a moment to locate the project in your workspace and click to open it. Next, look for the Add Task button. This is typically located at either the top or the bottom of your interface depending on your view settings. Go ahead and click it when you find it. Now, it's time to name your task. Make sure the name is clear and descriptive enough to remind you of its purpose at a glance. For example, you might name it Weekly Status Report or Monthly Budget Review. Once you've entered the name, click to create the task. After the task is created, click on it to open the full details. This step is important because it allows you to access all the customization options for your task, including the recurring settings. Next, locate the date field within the task details. This is where you'll set up your scheduling preferences. Click on the date field and you'll see an option labeled Set Recurring. Select that option to proceed. Once you've chosen to make the task recurring, you'll need to decide on the frequency. ClickUp offers several options, including daily, weekly, and monthly recurrences. Choose the one that best fits your needs. For example, if this is a weekly task, select the weekly option. Now set the start date. This is the date when you want the first instance of the task to appear. It could be today, tomorrow, or any date that aligns with your schedule. After setting the start date, it's time to configure the due date. This determines when each recurrence of the task should be completed. For example, if the task is due every Friday, make sure the due date reflects that. Finally, click Save to finalize your recurring task setup. Once saved, the task will automatically repeat based on the frequency and dates you've chosen, so you'll never have to worry about manually recreating it. And that's it. You've successfully set up a recurring task in ClickUp. With this feature, you can stay on top of your recurring responsibilities and keep your workflow running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.